Welcome to payboxtimer.com. We are going through adding a credit card processor now. So you've decided that you want, instead of prepaid codes, you want to add a little bit more functionality and you want to be able for your tenants to accept credit cards. So what you need to do is connect your Stripe account to your payboxtimer.com account. So you go to credit card processor and you see here it's stripe.com. And from here, what we would do is, in order for the money to go directly to your bank account, we connect it through Stripe as our processor. Once you click on Stripe, it will take you to their website and you connect your account. And once you do that, what happens is this no longer will say connect to Stripe. You'll actually see a URL that says Stripe account is active. And so anytime somebody uses a credit card using the mobile app and purchases electricity, the funds will be diverted directly into your bank account. And so having said that, we do have, once the Stripe account is connected, we do have a point of sale terminal where you can accept any form of credit card, MasterCard, Visa, or Discover. And so it's pretty self-explanatory. And so this way we have two forms of payment. One is prepaid codes that we discussed, and the second would be credit cards from the mobile app in either Apple or Android. Thank you.